Look, it's Glenda. Let us be glad. Let us be grateful. Let us rejoice to find that goodness could subdue all the workings of you know who. Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys all about the Wicked update on Brookhaven. So obviously my favorite update, I think I'm just obsessed with Wicked. Here there's this place called, well, it's the new movie Wicked for Good. There is a salon here. There's a bunch of Glenda items, bunch of Alphaba's items as well. And then just a bunch of photo ops, really. There's also this department store. You can see the houses that they have here. Some other costumes as well that you can use if you don't want to be Glenda or Alphaba. What is this place? I think this is just a chill corner. There's this area as well, and then you can actually go in here. There's a door. You can go in there. Also, I'll show the props later on, but super cool. Can actually talk. Here, I'll show you if I can go back there fast enough. Like, go back. Flames, rainbow, smoke, and I'm just going to press this, and I'm just going to see it talks. So stinking cool. And there's this, like, from the first movie, like the model of, I don't know, the yellow brick road. That's what I saw, but I could forget. Okay, so for the props, if you go here, there's 3 props. There's the Glenda wand, Alphaba's broom, and a torch. So I'll show you the torch first. If you press up, there's a bunch of animations and like different poses. There's 4 on this one. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is Alphaba's broom. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's Glenda's wand. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, there's only 3. I forgot. Sorry. And I think there's the vehicles too. I don't know where I got that bubble, if I'm being honest. I just found it on the side, and I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna hop in that bubble. Should be in vehicles, but I guess it's just there when you're in the like Wicked area. But you are able to like ride it. As you can see, that's where I was. You can't like have it facing your way though, unfortunately, so you can't really take a picture. Well, I guess you can if you don't really ride it, but oh, it's in helicopters. I am not gonna lie, I don't know where I got that from. I just saw it and I was like, I'm just gonna go in, you know? Okay. So there's that. And obviously there's some outfits. If you go to, oh, sorry, avatar editor. And if you go like here, you can also find like Wicked themed outfits. But you can also like obviously get it from the one that I just showed you, like the area. For the houses, hopefully I can change. Okay, I'll do that later. How do I go back? Okay. So this is the Glenda house. Super cute, super pink. Love it. My favorite color. And there's her items here as well. Her tiara, her wand, her outfit. Let me see if I can change the house to the Alphaba one. Oh, I can't. Why is it? Because, okay, my house timer has not ended. I have 2 minutes, but you can see it for yourself, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the Wicked update. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!